Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Morning students.
Morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine. Before we start our activity, let's pray. Let's pray begins. Finish. Are you ready to take a breakfast, students?
No. Yes, sir. Yes, I do.
Good. It's better before we start our activity, we should get some breakfast to energizing our body. It can make you a strong, smart, then beautiful. Do you know Princess Elsa and Princess Anna?
Yeah.
Who's her?
Baby
Okay. She's a princess in Frozen Kingdom. Do you know Frozen movie?
Yeah. I like it.
Okay. Now, who is absent today?
I think there's no one of us is absent, sir.
Good. Now we will learn about something. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Today we will learn about permutations. And the goals or aims of our learning is first to find the concept of permutations, and second to solve contextual problem related to permutations. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll look at it. So, what is the title of our topic right now? Permutations.
Yes.
Can you spell it?
Yes.
Okay. So, P. Good. So the title of our topic right now is the called permutations.
Permutation. Okay.
Before we start, so do you still remember about multiplication rule?
Yeah, I think yes.
I will check. Okay, Ajin, can you explain what is the multiplication rule?
Multiplication rule is used to know how many possibility ways
Stop.
from some case.
Okay, stop. I will write down in here. So first is multiplication rule.
To know how many possibility ways.
You know how many possibility ways.
Yes.
Second,
It usually using conjunction answer.
okay, using conjunction and.
Yes. Sir,
Yes, go Tristan.
The possibility between two cases are multiplied.
Okay, maybe other opinion?
Sure.
Yes, Samira.
If a case can happen in m ways and second case can happen in m ways, so it could be written m times n ways.
Good. So the last is written by m times n ways. So the multiplication rule is there are 3 points. Is first is to know how many possibility ways, and second using conjunction and third written by m times n ways. Is it clear?
yes.
Good. I hope you still remember about this. The title of I didn't remember about multiplication rule materials. If there are many ways to choose the first element, the m ways, and second element, the n ways. So there are many ways to choose both of these elements. There are m times n ways. It's it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now I will show you the video, short movie. Please watch it carefully.
Wow. It's your house?
No, it's my girlfriend house.
Oh!
Actually, my girlfriend from Spain, you know. Yes, I'm sure.
Oh, very amazing, sir.
Yes, and it's my grandmother.
It's like rainbow cake.
Yes, like rainbow cake. It's not tart cake, yes. Yes, ma'am. It's near with my girlfriend. It's near my girlfriend house and school in here.
Oh.
Okay. From that video, what do you get?
Sir?
Yes.
Okay. I think this video is about colorful building.
Okay, colorful building. Then second.
Me, sir.
Okay.
The design is good.
The design is good. Okay, maybe third.
Me?
Yes, Chelsea.
The composition color is very amazing, sir.
Okay, the composition is very good. Yes. Okay. Maybe what is the relations between the video and the material we will discuss today?
Sir.
Yes, Dinda.
Sir, I think from the material we know how to build and design.
How to build and
Design.
okay, good. Maybe other opinion? Yes.
Determine the color, arrangement of the building.
Determine
The color,
the color and
arrangement.
oh, the color arrangement. Okay, good. So the material or the topic we will discuss today can be used to determine the color arrangement that possible to apply to a building. Same with video we watched before. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so prepare your book and your pencil
Okay.
because we will discuss today.
Okay, students, now we have the problem. You can see the problem on the slide. Try to understand the problem. Do you get the point?
Huh?
Okay, Safira.
I think there is a developer has a large land and he want to build some colorful building.
Okay, and anyone else?
Sir,
Yes, of course.
the paint shop provides four color choices:
Yeah.
blue, yellow, green, and red.
Okay, thank you. And in this problem, my friend, as a developer, had a 3-floor house and he want to paint his house become in 3 different colors. But the paint shop have 4 color choices. Now, my friend asked me to enumerate the possible ways to paint his buildings. Okay, students, now help me to enumerate it. Do you get the point?
Not
Okay. I will give you an example to represent this problem. Assume this Lego is building. We have four color choices, and first floor I choose green as the first floor, and the second one is red. Okay, and the next one is yellow. The last one is yellow, and now we have the first model. Now first help me to find the another model. Do you get the point?
Yes.
Okay. If you any else? Is there any question?
Not yet.
Okay, if no question, I will give you a worksheet to help you discuss about this problem.
Sir, how about our group?
Okay, your group.
Yes. My group. Where is my group?
Okay, in a group, you with you, actually with Mr. and Alfie and now Sabila. And the next group is Emilia, Saviro, Dava and Sabila. And now Chelsea, Revlin, Alpha and Dinda.
Okay,
Exit of your group.
Oh.
about the worksheet.
Thank
For
you,
two.
sir.
Okay. Now, look to your worksheet. In the activity 1, you have the problem that you can see on the box. Okay? On the next page, you have to fill in the blank that you have to fill with your possible ways by using your rainbow. Like green, yellow, and red. You just write the number, the 9 of color. Okay? And in the next page, you have the problem that you have to done with multiplication rule. Okay, you get the point?
Yes.
Okay. In activity 2, we have new problem that we have done with using your result of discussion in activity 1. Okay? In the activity 2, in activity 3, you have to generalize of your discussion in activity 1 and activity 2. Do you get the point, students?
Yes.
Okay, continue discussion.
Okay, let's for color. Yes.
Okay?
No.
Of course, you have to write all possible
use
that you have found
color
in the Lego.
And first model is
All of them.
Thank you.
Do you get the point?
green, red, and blue. You can draw.
Oh yeah.
And second model is
Do you have a problem?
3 colors.
Yes, sir.
What's your problem?
What do you think?
Red.
Yellow, red,
And then
Yeah.
then green, blue, red is the same thing.
red,
So what do you think?
blue,
Try
and
using your
green.
Lego.
And then we use yellow,
Yeah, you
yellow,
got it. Okay, continue discussion.
blue,
Thank you,
and
sir.
red. Then blue, red, and yellow.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
I think you should check in with your group. Okay?
Okay, and then
Okay, students, the time for your discussion is up. And now, anyone want to explain to your friend about your discussion? Anyone want to represent it?
Sir,
Oh, of course.
my
The
group wants to present our results.
Okay, go on.
okay, Grandma.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from group 3 and we want to present our results.
Okay, first, in activity 1, we usually go to solve this problem. And then, we know that the building have three different color in each floor. And then we have 4 different color. Is correct? Yes. Then, we draw the possible color arrangement like this. Red, green, blue, and so on. And from this, we get 24 possible color arrangement. Okay. Any question?
Is there any question?
No.
Carry
Next.
on.
In building A is needed 3 color composition. There are 4
3 color choices provided by the developer. And then the first box is the number of colors chosen for the first floor. So the number of colors that can be chosen is 4. The second floor is the number of colors that can be chosen for the second floor. So the number of colors that can be chosen is 3.
3. The second one is 3.
The third floor is the number of colors that can be chosen for the third floor. So the number of colors that can be chosen is 2.
So we have the possible.
Multiply of the number that we write in box. 4 times 3 times 2 is equal to 24.
Is there any question? Of course.
I have different answer with your group. In my answer, I write first box, second box, and third box is 4. So I have 4 times 4 times 4 equal to 64.
What do you think? What's your discussion?
Sir, before we answer, we want to discuss.
Okay.
Okay. Safiro, I want to answer your question. Safiro, each floor must have different colors. So, for the second floor, we have 3 color choices. And for the last floor, we have 2 color choices. So, 4 times 3 times 2 is equal to 24. Yeah.
Do you get the point, Sandra?
Yes. So for the next box, we must subtract the number of color by 1.
Okay.
That's right.
Yes, you have to
Okay,
subtract
thank
it.
you. Any other else?
Is there any question, students?
No.
Okay, you can back to your seat.
Okay.
Give applause to this crew. Okay. In the activity 2, we have new problem that you have done with your first discussion. Now, anyone want to explain to me and to your friends about your discussion?
Sir,
Of course, you can write your answer.
okay, now we have 4 floors and 7 color choices. So the first box we have 7. Then we have 6, 5, and the last is 4. And we have to multiply this. After this, we change into factorial form. We get 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial over 3 factorial. So the result is 840.
Okay. Is there any question?
No.
Okay. First, for the 5 of 7.
For the 5 floor and 7 color choices, now we have 5 box here.
Okay.
The first box is 7, next to 6, 5, 4, and 3.
Okay. And the factorial form?
And the factorial form is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial over 2 factorial. And we know this it seems like 7 factorial over 7 minus 5 factorial. So we have 2,520.
Is there a question? It's clear?
It's clear.
It's clear.
Thank you, Ajin. You can back to your seat.
Thank you.
Okay? In the next, we have 6 of 7. So, how many boxes that I should put in the whiteboard?
6.
Okay. What number in the first box that should I write?
7.
Next one.
6. 5.
5, 4, and
3.
And last one. Okay, in the factorial form we have
7 times factorial
5040. Any other answer?
No.
Is that clear?
Yes.
And in the next page, we have the activity tree. Anyone want to explain to me and your friend about the activity tree?
Sure.
Of course. You can explain to your friends. Please. Yes.
In activity before, we have four fourths of 7 colors, 5 fourths of 7 colors, and 6 fourths of 7 colors. And the next activity, we can get the general formula of this problem. Suppose the number of fourths is R, and the number of color is N. So we get the number of box is R. In the first box we can write N. And the second box we can write N minus 1. And the second box we can write N minus 2. And the last box we can write N minus R plus 1. Then for the factorial form we get N factorial over N minus R factorial. So the general formula of this problem is N factorial over N minus R factorial.
Okay, thank you, Safiro. Keep applause to Safiro. Is there a question? Yes, of course.
Okay. Sir, my answer of group, the last box is N minus R.
Yeah.
Why?
I think you should check to the 3 of 4. We have the last box is 2. It's from 4 minus 3 plus 1. So we have 2. And then the next one is 4 of 7. We have 4 in the last box. And 4 is come from 7 minus 4 plus 3 plus 1. So we have 4 in the last box. And in the next problem we have 5 of 7. That's we have in the last book is 3, and 3 is come from 7 minus 5 plus 1. Is that clear?
Oh,
yes. So we have the general form is this. Okay?
Okay, so
Now, the time for your discussion is up, and please back to your seat to the first position.
yes, sir.
Now please submit your receipt before and don't forget to submit the receipt.
Oh yeah.
Okay, and now I will give you some quiz that you must learn today, and don't forget to do it by yourself. Okay?
Oh my God, sir. About the permutation, sir?
Of course. It's about the material that you just learned today.
I'm so hungry, sir.
Okay, you can eat after
Can
this.
you go home now?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, you can start it from now. Eat by yourself, okay?
Sorry.
Okay, are you finished?
Oh.
Can finish, sir.
Okay, you can submit out. Okay. Okay, I have done scoring your worksheet before, and now I will give you some reward for the group with the highest score. And the group with the highest score is group 2. Congratulations.
Yes!
This is the reward for you.
Just to say.
Yes. Okay. Now, what you can tell about the permutation from the Materi that you just learned today?
Me, sir.
Okay, please.
Permutation is rearrangement of the element of a set by ordering, sir.
Okay, that's right. Any other?
Sir?
Okay, please.
Okay. For evaluate the permutation of R from M is equal to n factorial over to n minus R factorial.
That's right. Okay. The permutation is the rearrangement of all the elements of a set by ordering. And the permutation can be written with n permutation of n equal to n factorial over n minus n factorial with n is less than or equal with n. Okay? Any question?
No.
Okay, very good. I think that you all already know the permutation. Okay, I think that's all for now. And don't forget to study about the next material about the combination. We will discuss it next meeting. Okay?
Okay.
I think that's all for now. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.